Take a ride in the 2019 Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, bed liner, chrome wheels, remote engine start, traction control, stability control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.